That's Mama and Daddy in the water with them. And that's a couple of their cousins. There's Picasso. Oh, look at him diving! Look at him diving! I'm topping off the water level, hoping they can just swim out when they're ready to leave. Because yesterday they just couldn't figure out the little bricks over there. Here come the Canada geese. I just can't get over how they love to dive. Oh, that one figured it out. He's gonna go back in. Oh my goodness. Is this not a good way to start the morning? Oh my goodness. Hi babies. So if you missed it, their names are Clover, Daffodil, Ivy, Magnolia, and Olive. Oh, did I miss somebody? And Fern. Yeah. Clover, Daffodil, Ivy, Magnolia, Olive, and Fern. I really couldn't come up with a theme this time, but I do try to stick with gender-neutral names because I am not good at sexing baby birds. Oh, they're figuring it out. They're so strong that they're going to go back in. They're definitely water birds. Oh my goodness gracious. Those some pretty babies there, Daddy. I'm just still amazed at how the geese don't see breed. These are the babies that hatched while Mama was sitting on them, so she doesn't care if they're geese or ducks or any other babies. Keep trying, honey. See that when that water gets a little higher, they can kind of swim out. Daddy doesn't know how to help. They don't pick their babies up like mammals do. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. You gonna come see me? You gonna come see me? He's trying. He's calling to him. Come on, honey. It might be easier right over here, baby. That's what I want him to figure out, is those bricks. Hi, Monet. Hi, Monet. Hi, Picasso. I still think as the water gets higher, they'll figure it out more easily. But I've got to watch because, I mean, they look like their oils are working, so I was new to having geese raise ducks. I didn't know if Mama would still pass on oils in the nest or not. But apparently she has, because they are not, look at that, they're not wet. You guys trying to steal the show? And we start out every morning with nice clear water. And by the end of the day, it's all cloudy. There's always stuff that collects in the bottom, and so when they get in and dive and swim and mate, they stir it all up. But when I come out first thing in the morning, our little DIY filters work really well. And we do still have 2 goldfish in there. Hey, that one's probably not your baby. That one right there in the water is probably your baby. Do you think? It sure looks like it. You are such a good daddy, Mulder. Hey, Scully. Look at your babies. They're so sweet. They're going to try to eat everything already. He is such an attentive father. Yeah, come on out of here, baby. This is where the water comes closest to the edge. So my little salad mix seeds are sprouting. Oh, that's exciting. Got at least one little pea sprout in there. Try not to turn my camera so that it reorients itself. And then my kale is sprouting. Yeah, that's exciting. Let's check the lemon balm. Oh, I see one little sprout. Where'd it go? I think that's a little sprout. Everything else is looking good. But unfortunately, and it was actually Scully I caught up here, she just got in line at the buffet, chomped down everything. I mean, the strawberries still have a little bit of life left in them. Got a nice little blossom going there. And it looks like they're not messing with the cantaloupe, but we have to go to plan B, which I think I'm just going to make some little cages for everything. I mean, I've got some other stuff sprouting up. That might be my carrots. Oh, no, there's some carrot sprouts, though, right there. I'm going to leave them covered again for today because it's supposed to storm later. Yeah, so I've got some little carrot sprouts coming up. That's good. I'm not sure what those are. I don't know what that is. I guess we'll find out. I'll either be pulling it out because I don't want it, or it'll be something that's related to what I already put in the garden. So, I told you guys I'd keep you updated, and I knew the odds probably weren't in our favor that someone wouldn't get up there and chew it up, even if it wasn't one of the ducks. We have rabbits and raccoons and possums. It's funny that Picasso is typically off by himself. Oh my gosh, life is good. Someone lay an egg. Is that an egg? No, is that a feather? Oh, it's the remnants of an egg. I guess the dogs got into it. Hey, girls. Hey, Cabo. What are you running for? You just running for fun? Where's sister? You just running for fun, honey? I gotta go to Sprouts. I'll spend some time with you later. I gotta go to Sprouts. Oh. They're just feeling kind of frisky ahead of the storm front that's coming in, I guess. Hey, little one. Hey, little one. This is the size Itsy was when we found her. Oh my goodness. Hi, little one. Where'd you come from? Is that why there was a turtle in the pond? Was it making babies? Hi, little one. Hi. Oh my goodness. We gotta figure out where you need to go, honey. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at you. I'm afraid you're gonna get eaten. I'm afraid you're gonna get eaten, honey. Well, I don't know where to put you. Let's go put you back here. You go over there. You go over there, honey. Go. Just coming out to check on things. I didn't see the babies in the pen. They're hanging out there. Daddy was in the tub there taking a bath, and they're playing in the water. Oh my goodness. You found a mud puddle? Yeah, and they're trying to catch flies. Look at that. Oh. Eating some arugula. Daddy's taking a bath. So I just refilled all their water. So another FYI for you, duck water does not stay clean very long. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, that's not Daddy taking a bath. That's Monet taking a bath. There's Hogarth over there, cleaning out his nose. Oh, Daddy's gonna get in the little tub. It's just so interesting to me how much the babies... Daddy, it's okay. Well, I don't guess there's any way I can keep them out of the big duck food. There are baby crumbles in it because I blend a couple different protein levels with some cracked corn and sometimes oats just to get the percentage where I want it and to give them some variety. They're doing so good. I guess they're just getting a little more independent. How precious. Yeah, they went over there, Daddy. They went over there. Oh my goodness, they're just so precious. Scully? Honey? There's not even anything left to eat. You've eaten it all. So what are you doing up here? Huh? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Scully, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go, Mama. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Scully. Go, go, go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Good girl.